Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing testing out HelloFresh. If you do not know what HelloFresh is, it is a monthly subscription that you can go and subscribe. They do have three plans that you can choose from. They have the classic meal, the vegetarian meal, and the family meal. They started me off with the classic meal. So what that means is that you get 3 meals every single week, and I will be going into more depth once we start the video. I did do an unboxing where I did try it out because they did send me a code because they wanted me to try it out. I will enter that footage here from my Instagram. I just want to hop on here and just explain to you really quick what HelloFresh is and what they do. So HelloFresh basically, you sign up for their food. It's like healthy food. So you sign up and they send you 3 meals every week. So this week I got the pineapple pork and beef tacos, I got the roasted pork, whatever that word is, and then I got the balsamic thick chicken. They send it to you in an isolated bag, so it comes with like ice, and then it comes with this to make it not go bad, and it's really good. I've seen a lot of vloggers talk about it, including me. So it comes with it is all prepped for you, so you don't have to shop. So like it has all your ingredients here, and it all comes in the bag, so you can choose whatever you want to make, and it comes with all the items, and it's awesome, super awesome. It's a great thing. You save a lot of money, and it tells you right here, it sends you the ingredients, and then the back you flip it over and it tells you exactly how to make it. And there's also videos up on their website. So if you want to try out HelloFresh, I will be making a video. If you want me to, swipe up and let me know. If you want me to make a video on it, let me know. Try it out. Yes, that is me unboxing everything that comes in the box. So it is an insulated box that comes with 3 meals. The best thing of HelloFresh is that I love that it comes with everything that you need. You literally only need a pot and a pan. That was the same thing. Literally only need like pots and utensils for you to cook. It gives you the chicken breast, it gives you the fruit, it gives you everything measured out, and that's what I love about it, that you don't need to go do grocery shopping, because for some instances where you're making like a recipe, you need like 1 teaspoon of butter or like 1 teaspoon of like wine, and you want to go buy like the whole wine, and you're only going to use it for that specific recipe. But what I love is that everything is pre-measured out, so you can just do it for you. And for you to get started today, HelloFresh was nice enough to give us a code, 2 codes actually. So the first code that you're going to be using is ARMAND25, ARMAND25, to get $40 off your first order. And then they also sent me 3 specific codes for my subscribers to use. The first 3 people to comment down below will get their first entire box for free. So you can do the first 3 people to comment down below. I will give you a specific code to use for when you go try out HelloFresh, and you will get your first entire box for free. Without further ado, I don't want to ramble on. I just wanted to give you a little background story of what HelloFresh is, what they do, and other things. You can go to the website. You can do 3 easy steps. You pick a plan, get your delivery, cook and eat and enjoy your food. So without further ado, you already know the drill. Let's do 4 things before we move on with this video. 1, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's right here. Click it down below. Hurry up. 2, don't forget to follow me on my social medias, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. 3, don't forget to hit the notification button to be a part of the notification squad and join the DIY family. And 4, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's learn how to make some chicken cheddar fajitas. Let's do it. Alrighty, so let's get to cooking. So let me just show you a little bit of little details of what HelloFresh comes. So every week you will get 3 meals every single week. You will get, has been my recent box that I've got delivered. So you get 3 bags like this that are insulated in there with all the veggies that you need, and then it will come with the 3 cards that will tell you everything that you need to do. It's super easy. It tells you how many time it's going to take. So today my prep time is going to be 10 minutes, and it's going to take me 30 minutes to cook everything. So today I chose to do chicken cheddar fajitas that look like this. Once you flip it around, it tells you all the steps that you need to do to cook your meal. So it has step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then it has all your ingredients here, and then it tells you everything that you need to have down here as well. So today we're going to be doing the chicken cheddar fajitas. So let's open her up and see what are the goodies that we have. We love a good ASMR. So first it comes with 6-inch flour tortillas. Wow, we love a good 6-inch tortillas. Next, it comes with our Southwest spice blend that we will use to spice up our tacos. And then it comes with our cheddar cheese that we'll put on top. It comes with a yellow pepper, It comes with a onion. I don't really use those. And the best part is that you don't really need to use everything. And then it comes with a chile and then a lemon. And then last but not least, it comes with a little sour cream that you can use as well. And then the last step that you need is your chicken breast. I just have my chicken breast right here and it looks like this. And I have it in a plate because it was defrosting. So we're gonna prep our food and then we're gonna get to cooking. But let's go ahead and move from this position and let's go ahead and move to the stove so we can cook together. Alrighty, so we are here at the kitchen. I already pulled out my pot, my little thingy for my tortillas, and I have all my ingredients back here, including my chicken breast. So we got all that checked, and then it says start strong. If you rather not heat up the oven, you can place the tortillas in a pan over medium-low heat, then sprinkle the cheddar on top and let it melt. You may need to work with one tortilla at a time. That's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm gonna have my little thingy where all the Mexicans cook their tortillas, because who puts their tortillas in an oven? It says bust out 2 small bowls. We got 2 small bowls. Whatever the hell is a zester. I think it's this. Zester. A large pan. A baking sheet. We won't need that. And vegetable oil. Vegetable oil. Prep. So, look at the instructions with me. I'm gonna tell you everything that you need to do. So I will let you see that really quick while I read it. So, it says prep. Adjust rack to middle position and preheat oven to 400 degrees. We need to preheat the oven. Wash and dry all produce. Core to season and thinly sliced bell pepper. Half peel and thinly sliced onion. Slice jalapeno into thin rounds and place in a small bowl. Remove ribs and seeds for less heat. Zest 1.5 zest from lime. Cut lime into wedges. So we just got our veggies. We're just gonna cook the bell peppers because, like I said, I'm not gonna be using the jalapeno or onions because I do not like that. And that's the best part of HelloFresh. You can customize everything that you want to do, so you don't have to follow exactly what's in the picture or whatever it tells you. You can customize it with however you want it. Meanwhile, we're gonna do steps 3 and 4. So we're gonna make our little like a little sauce. It says 3. Make crema. In another small bowl, combine sour cream, lime zest, and squeeze of lime juice. Stir in enough water to give mixture a drizzling consistency. Season with salt and pepper. And then step number 4, cook chicken. Slice chicken into strips. Season with salt and pepper. Heat a large drizzle of oil into pan. Use for veggies over medium-high heat. Add chicken in a single layer and cook, stirring occasionally until lightly browned. 2 to 4 minutes, toss in veggies and another 1 teaspoon salt with spice. You'll have a little left over. Continue cooking until chicken is browned and cook through 2 to 3 minutes more. So we're gonna do steps 3 and 4, and then I'll update you guys in a bit. So we have our chicken breasts here that are mostly almost done. If you want to pan over here and show our viewers what we got going on. This is our chicken breasts, so they are turning slightly brown so they can look just like the picture. And then our step, we're going to read step number 5. So at the end it says toss in veggies and a teaspoon of salt with spice. So now that our chicken breast is cooked like that, we're gonna toss in our veggies, but at this moment we just have our bell peppers. So we're gonna toss her in, and then it says to add a little bit more of the spice. So let me just mix this in really quick, and this is just to add flavor to it. And then I'm going to toss in a little bit more of the spice just to give it a little bit more flavor. I'm going to add a little bit because I already added a lot earlier. That should be good. And then we're just going to give it one more little mix. And then I'm going to start preheating our thingy over here for our tortillas so we can get those ready to go as well. I'm going to put this in low heat into like a number 1 just so they can stay warm, so they can be served fresh. So I'm going to leave this cooking up here. And then we're going to start with the tortilla. So we're going to read step number 5. So it says, meanwhile, The breast chicken is cooking. Place tortillas into a baking sheet, but we're not going to do that. And a single layer and sprinkle it evenly with cheddar. Bake until cheese has melted 1 to 2 minutes, and then it gives you a tip. Don't let these sit in the oven too long. The tortilla should be soft, not crisp. And then the last step, it says assemble and serve. Divide chicken and veggies among tortillas. Dollop with sour cream and scatter pickled jalapeno over to taste. Serve any remaining lime wedges on the side for squeezing over. So we read all the steps. Now we're gonna finish it off, and then we're gonna serve it. We're gonna do a taste test, and then it's all done. It is that simple. HelloFresh is amazing for you guys, so I definitely recommend. And like I said, use my code ArmandoDIY. Will be popping up around the video. So let's finish cooking, and then let's do a taste test. Alrighty, Roo. It is now done cooking. Now let's make our way over here so we can do a little taste test. Alrighty, so this was our go. We got the chicken cheddar fajitas, and then this only took about 45 minutes, exactly what it says on there. So here is our finishing plates. You want to get a little overview on that. They look really delicious. So now I'm gonna now I'm gonna sprinkle some lime on there, and then we're gonna do a little taste test just to see how they taste. So I'm gonna put some lemon on there. I'm gonna taste them for you guys. They're a little crunchy. Okay, ready? Ooh! Just your ship right now. That tastes really, really good. Wow. It's just really good. You wanna taste it?
Yeah.
Let's have her taste it. Say something because I can't get your face.
Are amazing.
They're so good, right?
Freaking delish.
Whoa, she's going in for a second round. Whoa. Alrighty, Ruth. So now that we cooked our chicken fajitas and we tasted them, they were amazing. I stood by my friend, she tasted them, and she was a little sister shook herself. She finished my taco and she ate like 67 of them. No, I'm just kidding, but they were really, really good. As you saw, there's literally no trick to this. There's literally no way for you to get lost. It's super easy. Follow the instructions. There's no way to get lost. Once again, my code ArmandoDIY. You can use it to get $40 off your first box. And also, don't forget, the first 3 people to comment will get a special code for me to get their first box for free. HelloFresh was nice enough and sent me 3 specific codes for my subscribers that can get their first free box for free. That is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, of me cooking and showing you guys what HelloFresh is, because I know a lot of you guys had so many questions for me when I did my unboxing over on my Instagram. Follow me on my social medias, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Go follow me on there, and I will insert any footage that I have from my Instagram story. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys later. Bye!